we want to find the formula of the composite function f of g of h of x. F of g of h of x. So there are three functions being embedded together here. Now let's start with the innermost function. We want to start with what? G of h of x. That is, we put h of x inside g. So g is the base. We have 2. Now where we see x, we write h of x, which is what? 4x plus 5, then minus 3. That is it. So we have put h of x inside g of x. So by the time we expand, we have 8x plus 10, then minus 3. That gives us what? 8x plus 7. So the result of that is 8x plus 7. Now for the last, we have dealt with this now. Now putting g of h of x inside f. So f is now the base. F is now the base. Therefore, we have gotten g of h of x to be what? X plus 7. Now we now put it inside f. Our f is what? X squared plus 1. So now x will now be replaced by 8x plus 7. Yes, squared plus 1. So if we expand this by, simple expansion, this one will give us 64x squared, 56 times that's plus 11, 112x plus 49, then plus 1. Yes, that's expansion of this will give you this. Then remaining plus 1, you write it there. So that was 64x squared plus 112x plus 50. So that's the answer. Bye.